A lot of people have various ways of making this recipe. In today's video, I share with you how I make mine. So let's check on the ingredients I will use. I have some kenkey, I'm using the Fante one, also some apple, 3 medium size of banana, powdered milk, date fruit, some cinnamon powder, peanut and coconut milk. So in my blender, I will add all the ingredients and blend. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, you are welcome. This is Getty Cooks. This channel will make food recipes. To my new and returning subscribers, thank you so much for always being there, for always watching my video. I do appreciate it a lot. And also, please don't forget to like, share this video among your friends and family, and also comment on this video. So please enjoy the rest of the video.